Do you have diabetes and are wondering what foods you should eat? Look no further. This video will give you a comprehensive overview of the best diabetes foods to eat, based on the latest scientific evidence. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. There are two main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease that causes your body to attack the cells that produce insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps your body's cells use glucose for energy. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes, and it occurs when your body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough insulin. When you have diabetes, it is important to eat a healthy diet that can help you manage your blood sugar levels. This means eating foods that are low in saturated and unhealthy fats, added sugar, and refined carbohydrates. It is also important to eat plenty of fiber and protein. With the right diet, you can effectively manage it and take control of your health journey. The power of fiber. Now that we've highlighted the importance of fiber, let's delve deeper into why it's truly the unsung hero in our lineup. Picture fiber as the backstage magician, skillfully orchestrating the regulation of blood sugar levels. Whole grains, legumes, and veggies, particularly the mighty broccoli, emerge as the shining stars in the galaxy of diabetes foods to eat. These aren't just ingredients. They're the architects of a delicious and health-conscious lifestyle. Let's take a closer look at our green superhero, broccoli. Not only does it add a delightful crunch to your meals, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, broccoli is a versatile diabetes food to eat that plays a crucial role in maintaining steady blood sugar levels. So, make friends with broccoli. Your taste buds and health will thank you. Lean protein choices. Transitioning now to our next dietary chapter, the Protein Powerhouse. It's not just about getting protein, it's about making intelligent choices. Picture skinless poultry, fish, and tofu as the avengers of your dietary universe. These diabetes foods to eat aren't just sources of energy. They're the guardians ensuring your blood sugar doesn't embark on a wild roller coaster ride. Let's hit the gym of knowledge for a moment. Proteins are the building blocks of our body, and for diabetics, they're a vital ally. Skinless poultry serves up lean, mean protein. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, not only boosts heart health but also aids in diabetes management. And tofu, the chameleon of proteins, adapts to any dish, offering a plant-powered protein punch. These diabetes foods to eat aren't just options. They're your dietary superheroes in action. Good fats for better health. Now, let's talk about fats, the unsung heroes quietly guarding your heart health. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil aren't just diabetes foods to eat. They're the architects of a diet that maintains stable blood sugar levels. Imagine them as your culinary companions, making your meals not only delicious but also heart-friendly. Avocado Anthem. A special shout-out to avocados. Creamy, rich, and loaded with monounsaturated fats, avocados are a celebration of good fats. These diabetes foods to eat not only add a delectable twist to your meals but also contribute to lower cholesterol levels and improved insulin sensitivity. So, embrace the green goodness of avocados for a heart-healthy and diabetes-friendly diet. Superfoods for diabetes. Prepare to unlock the treasure trove of nutrition as we venture into the realm of superfoods. Berries, leafy greens, and sweet potatoes aren't just allies in managing diabetes. They're the superheroes of your overall health. These diabetes foods to eat aren't merely ingredients. They're the keys to a nutrient-packed lifestyle. Let's break down the symphony of superfoods. Berries, bursting with antioxidants, are the defenders against oxidative stress. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, are rich in vitamins and minerals, promoting overall well-being. And sweet potatoes? They're the knights in shining armor, providing complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar. Incorporate these diabetes foods to eat into your daily routine for a nutrient boost like never before. Spices and herbs for flavor and health. Spice up your life, quite literally. Cinnamon, fenugreek, and turmeric aren't just flavor enhancers. They're secret weapons against diabetes. These diabetes foods to eat not only make your dishes tantalizing but also contribute to improved insulin sensitivity. It's like having a pharmacy in your spice rack. Snack smart. Let's tackle the snack attack. Snacking is a part of life, and for diabetics, it's all about making savvy choices. Greek yogurt, mixed nuts, or sliced veggies with hummus. These diabetes foods to eat make snacking not just guilt-free but beneficial for keeping your blood sugar stable. Snack smart for a healthier you. Now, let's talk strategy, meal planning and portion control. It's not just about what you eat but how much. Prioritize balanced meals with diabetes foods to eat, and for personalized guidance, consult a dietitian. It's the game plan for a winning diet. Stay hydrated, champions. Water is your ally in the quest for better health. Ditch the sugary drinks and embrace diabetes foods to eat like herbal teas and infused water. Hydration never tasted so good, and it's a sugar-free delight for your taste buds. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Dive into the sweet side of life with diabetes foods to eat like sugar-free dark chocolate, fresh fruit salad, or homemade sugar substitutes. Satisfy your sweet tooth without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster. It's dessert done right. Navigating the culinary world outside your kitchen? Eating out smartly is the key. Seek restaurants that offer diabetes foods to eat. Grilled options, salads, and whole grain sides. Don't be shy to customize your order. It's your health, your way. Now, onto the other side of the equation, staying active. Your diet is essential, but so is movement. Regular exercise complements your diabetes foods to eat choices by improving insulin sensitivity. So, lace up those sneakers, get moving, and feel the incredible benefits unfold in your journey to better health. Eating a healthy diet is one of the best things you can do to manage your diabetes. By eating the right foods, you can help to keep your blood sugar levels under control and reduce your risk of complications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more informative content coming your way. Until next time, stay healthy, and remember, it's all about diabetes foods to eat. Thanks for watching.